Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today, this video is all about making a choice board. So you've probably seen these a lot. The kids really love choice boards. This one specifically that I'm going to be showing you that I recently made is over decimal operations. So it is like a dinner choice board. So students will pick one place to eat out at from each column. Then you have to answer all the questions. So it lets them choose where they want to eat. Um, and it makes them do a little bit of work as well. So let's say they wanted to go to Taco Bell. They would click on this and it would bring them directly to the slide with the menu. And then once they pick their items they want to eat, they'll click right here. It says click here for the questions to the slide. And then it brings them directly to the questions. So I'm going to be showing you how to link everything and how to connect everything in a choice board. So all you're going to need is to open up a new Google Slides and let's get started. All right, guys, now that we have our blank Google Slides open, I'm basically going to be showing you the basics. So not putting everything into it, but just showing you how to link everything. So first, this will be your opening slide. This will be your choice board. So you want to create the board. So that is where you will go to Insert, Table, and mine had 3 columns by 3, so I'm just going to do the same format. Paste that, make it a little bit bigger so they can see everything. Then add your title. And I like to center that as well. And pick a font. And let's make it a little bit bigger. There we go. And I'm going to move it over. There we go. Kind of center it a little bit better. All right, so now that we have our choice board, what we're going to do, so I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to go ahead and put some restaurant names in each one. So again, you can make this towards what you wanted it to be. I'm just going to do the same exact one, just really to show you how to link all of the slides together. So let's do the same ones. So I think I have Italianos here. We can put Chick-fil-A here. We can put Papacitos. And then Big City Wings. Taco Bell. Chewy's. I'm just putting random ones at this point. I'll just put sushi here. We can put KFC. And then we can put Olive Garden. Okay, so I'm going to center all of these. So you can actually just highlight all of them, come to a line and press center, and then also make them go in the middle. And then we want to make them all the same font. I like to just highlight everything at once. And we can make them all a little bit bigger. Oops, Papacitos. Okay, so we have our choice board now. So I'm going to go over to the left over here, and I'm going to press New Slide. This is going to be my Italianos menu. And then if I press again one more time, New Slide, this is going to be the Italianos questions. Okay, I'm going to do one more time. A new slide. Let's do Big City Wings menu. Again, new slide. Big City Wings questions. Okay. Oops, did not mean to do that. Here we go. So go back to the dinner choice board. So now that I have the Italianos menu, what I want the kids to do is I want them to go directly to the menu first. Now your choice board doesn't have to have 2 slides per choice. you can have one slide, but in this case, I wanted them to see the menu and it wouldn't fit all in one slide, so I just broke it down into 2 slides. So I'm going to highlight this, and then I'm going to right click, and I'm going to press link. Here's where you can link. You could link it to the actual website for the menu, but I don't want kids to lose this page and, get sidetracked. So I just putting everything in here. So right here it says slides in this presentation. You're going to click that. And the reason why I titled them all is so you can see them here instead of remembering which slide number it was. So I'm going to press slide 2 and then press apply. I'm going to do the same thing for Big City Wings. Highlight it, right click, press link, press slides in this presentation, go down Big City Wing menu, and apply. Okay, so now when they click here, it should take them directly to Italiano's menu. Now, after they look at the menu, I want them to go to the questions. Instead of having them having to look for that questions and getting sidetracked, I'm going to press another link or apply another link for them just to bring it directly to them, even though it is the next slide. Some kids aren't good with Google Slides, so just making those links helps them a lot. So right here, I'm going to put once you've chosen your items, click here for the questions. And I'm just going to center all that, put it in the middle. I'm actually going to make this an actual box so it's easier for the kids to see. So I'm going to make a border about 3, make it really thick, and then I'm going to fill it in red. I'm going to change the font and make the font bold. Then I'm going to highlight everything, right click, press link, slides in this presentation, and I'm going to go to Italiano's questions and apply. So now I'm actually going to change that font color to black. There we go. So now when the kids click here, so once they've chosen their items, they'll click here and it'll bring them directly to Italiano's questions. Now, once they've answered their questions again, I want them to not get confused. So I'm going to put a little box again saying once you've finished, click here to go back to the board. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to center everything, do the same font so everything is matching. I'm going to fill this border in about 3, fill it in red. And then I'm going to link slides in this presentation. I'm going to link the first slide because the first slide is going to always be the choice board. And I'm going to change that back to black because it'll hyperlink to a blue font. So now when they click here, when they're done with their questions, it'll bring them back to the choice board. So you're going to be doing that with all of these. Once you've created this choice board, the nice thing is you can use this as a template and you can always make a copy of this and basically just keep reusing it and just changing it up for your different type of choice boards. But really in this video, I wanted to show you how to link things in your choice board to all the slides in your presentation. So hopefully this helped. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Thank you again.